Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed on acid washed, boiled, soft, beautiful Tassa fabric. Here we have a cream saree with pink and green used for the printing. We also have yellows for the stem, and we have the borders in mild pastel shade pink color. It's a very different peach and pink mixed combination. The floral part have two different colors of pink, very elegantly used as a shaded portion. The digital printed beautiful saree with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Pallu and blouse piece are in light pastel pink, and the pallu have zari lines. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed using kalamkari concept, a very beautiful color combination saree. Cream base color saree with very elegant peacock and the floral pattern threads, multiple colors used. The borders of the saree is beautiful bottle green shade, very elegant and very different combination. The pallu and the blouse of the saree is also in bottle green with zari lines in the pallu and a full plain pattern in the blouse piece. Excellent combination, very different combo for cream, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very elegant acid washed boiled soft Tassa silk saree. A black saree here with beautiful kalamkari concept prints. Blue, green and black here are prominent with the green borders here. Olive green is the border. The same border color is given for the pallu and blouse piece. Pallu is having zari lines, vertical zari lines, and we have same color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body, black and olive green, different combo, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful and fast moving ash grey color with all over printed design. Three different colors are used, yellow, green and pink. The flowers are very different and beautifully done. All over digital printed with borders in pink base. The pallu of the saree is also pink with zari lines, and we also have the blouse piece in same pink color, plain blouse piece. Combination is beautiful. The grey is always a demanded color in digital print, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed. A very beautiful yellow saree with kalamkari design digital prints. Very elegant peacocks and floral pattern. Beautifully printed, very fast moving, beautiful collection with red borders with zari lines, zari borders. The whole saree is having a 4-inch zari border with same red blouse piece and pallu. The pallu is having zari lines and the blouse piece is plain red with both sides borders. Excellent saree, beautiful combination. The yellow of the saree is also very perfect, beautiful turmeric yellow. The print is very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, using a very unique and beautiful trendy design. All over it is being printed with a big floral pattern. Multiple colors used, pink, purple and blue are prominent here. Very elegant design all over with a different green color borders. The pallu of the saree is also green. Very different shade of green, peacock neck green without blue mix, and the same green is the blouse piece. Combination is very pretty, elegant saree. A trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very different combination color saree here. A beautiful orange base with all over mango and floral pattern together used in this particular saree. Very elegant one with grey used all over, and the same grey is given for the borders, pallu and blouse piece. Very different combination, rustic orange color base. Very beautiful design with pallu having zari lines and the plain blouse piece in same grey color given. Excellent combo, very unique combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very elegant, a shade of Rama green color saree with very beautiful peacocks design printed, a very new launch, different portions of peacock, very elegant design is done using multiple colors. You see peacocks in various different portions, and we have a contrast pallu, blouse and border. It is a rust color. You can see multiple colors of pink, blue and orange in the peacocks also. The same orange is given for the pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece. A different combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a very elegant green saree, Rama green color base with beautiful pink yellow used for the printing, mango and floral concept, very elegantly closely printed design, and we have pink borders, which is a prominent color in the saree printing also. Pink border, pink pallu as well as pink blouse piece. It's a Rani pink color. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece is plain pink. Excellent combination, very different, very attractive combo, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, a premium kalamkari concept digital print on a very pastel pink color saree. Very beautiful shade of pink it is, with multi colors used for the printed design, and we also have a border which is completely contrast, a brown border on the base of zari border. The same brown is given for the pallu as well as for the blouse piece. Beautiful and different color concept, very rare combination, and with same pallu color blouse piece in plain version. Excellent saree, very beautiful creation with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, digital printed, very elegant cream color saree with beautiful peacock and kalamkari pattern in the print all over. Very elegant colors and beautiful design is being done. And it is done with a contrast border. The border is maroon color shade with zari border base, and we have same maroon blouse piece and pallu. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece is plain here. Excellent saree, very elegantly digital printed in the kalamkari concept, and comes with authentic silk mark.